GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about British pound against dollar. So before we get into the technical analysis, I have something in my mind going on because it's a live market, so I have a lot of pairs in my mind, okay? So yeah, while I clear my thoughts, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So hit the subscribe button, like the video, press the bell notification, and by the end of this video, you will find the value and you will know why to subscribe, why to like, and why to do everything. Okay, so below the video, we have some links here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. So once you click on the link, you will be taken to this page where you can check out all these proofs and screenshots and videos on this page. So in case if you are a newbie who do not want to learn all this manual trading because it is complicated, trust me, it takes time and you have to have so much money to waste or invest to learn manual trading on your own without any guidance. Okay, so in case you are a newbie who do not want to get into this manual trading and you need something on automation to work for you, you can check out the first link below the video and do the trading using a software. Second link says join free Telegram channel, so it's obviously free to join. Go and connect with my Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. And third link says check out best prop firm and forex brokers. Click on this link, come to this page here, and in case you want to trade with somebody else's money, so you have the talent but no money, in that case you can go and join a reliable prop firm, pass their challenge and clear the test, and they will give you the funded account. And this is the best prop firm out there in the world. Okay, when I say best, it is best. That's it. No discussions. I'm not giving you top 3 firms, top 5 firms. No, number one means number one. That's it. Okay, but if you have your own money to invest, then you can sign up with these brokers and add your money and get started with your trading journey. So go and check out these links, subscribe and like. And now coming back here, GBPUSD. Okay, so disclaimer here is that my videos are for educational purposes only. However, I know what I'm doing, obviously, and these videos are helping you as well. So in case, so I'm not responsible for any of your profits and losses. However, in the future, I'll be sharing a link in the description, in the description of my videos, where if you make money or profits because of my videos, you can decide how much money you want to share from your profits with me. It's something I'm doing out of curiosity. I have this plan in my head. So I will leave the link below my YouTube video in the future, not right now, in the future. And if you make money from my videos, then just come back and click on that link and then deposit the money, whatever amount of whatever amount of money you want to deposit in that link, you can do that. It's something which I will try so that I can see how many people are making money from my videos. Okay, for now everything is free. For now what I'm doing, everything is free, even though other people are charging you some kind of membership or some $1,000 course from them. You have to buy first and then they will do all this, which I'm doing for free for now. Okay, so we'll see how things go in the times to come. Now, disclaimer for scalpers. Scalper, I can't give you any 15 minutes or 5-minute signals. So make sure you use my long-term analysis and then decide accordingly. So starting with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we have touched the previous high. So you can see this wick here. So previous was 33.72 and this high was 3400. So we have clearly broken the previous high or touched the previous high. And now we should be taking a pullback. I'm not saying the trend is over. We might still be in the uptrend, but we are taking a pullback kind of, okay? But the trend is up. In Delhi, we have surely the trend is up, okay? But we are supposed to be taking a pullback. Use your Fibonacci. I'm not going to tell you everything. Use your Fibonacci from here until here, and then it should pull back at least 38% in daily chart or maybe 50%, who knows, okay? But my gut feeling says if I come to the news here today, news is coming shortly, okay? So my gut feeling says that dollar will go up today, okay? So dollar, it's my gut feeling. I don't know what's going to happen. Nobody knows, okay? But yeah, I think dollar will push up today. Dollar is taking a pullback as well. Dollar had been down, so it's taking a pullback and it's going up. In that case, GBP is going to come down. GBP is going to come down, okay? If we go back to 4-hour chart, trend is still up. But if you see here, we have double bottom. So this high did not break this high, so we are in the downtrend. It has rejected the EMA. Now, two scenarios in the 4-hour. Either it will continue the uptrend or it will break the EMA or come down, okay? So we have to wait for the news. If the news is in favor of dollar, then the GBP will come down. If news is bearish for the dollar, then GBP will go up, okay? I think what should happen is I think it should break the MA or at least come until here, touchdown. Okay, so if you want to do the counter trading, okay, if you can take some risks, you can use your Fibonacci and see, where is your 38%. 38% could be around 3100. Okay, right now the dollar GBP is at 1.3303. If you want 100 pips, you can take sell trade after the news. In the news, if it is in favor of dollar, then you can enter sell in GBP, take 100 pips, walk away. It is a counter trend. Okay, so you will be trading against the trend. But if you do not want to take sell positions in the uptrend, then wait for the pullback until here. Then on daily chart, you will have the blue confirmation candle, which will be going further up to give you the confirmation of the uptrend. Okay, so do it in two ways. Either you enter sell after the news. If the news is positive for dollar, enter sell, okay, for GBP. But if the news is bearish for dollar, then don't enter and wait for the proper pullback. Let me show you actually. Use the Fibonacci right here. I just can't keep it to myself. I can't keep my secrets to myself. So 38% is 1.3133. I told you, okay? So in case dollar news goes up, for example, coming back here, if dollar shows positive news today, then take sell, take your 100 pips, walk away. Otherwise, wait for the pullback, then wait for the blue candle in the daily for the continuation of the uptrend. If you like what you see, feel free. You know what? Other people will tell you, look for buying opportunities, wait for the pullback, and do this, do that. Their video is over. In this video, I gave you proper entry and proper exit signals, when to enter, when to not. So if you like what you see, subscribe and like. Check out these links, join Telegram, everything's free, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.